About this item cable, RF SMA male to SMA female bulkhead connector RG174 cable 5M/16.4 feet impedance 50 ohm adapter, SMA male to male adapter /SMA male to female adapter /SMA female to female adapter impedance 50 ohm cable and connectors can make cable into 1.SMA male to male cable 2.SMA female to female cable, so this product can meet your diversified needs. Application used for the network system, security system, FPV devices, Wi-Fi router, WLAN Wi-Fi antenna, radio video, 3G 4G LTE antenna, GPS antenna, module etc. Not for TV package. 1X SMA adapter cable plus 3 PCS SMA adapters in the description to get this product today at the best price. About this item cable, RF SMA male to SMA female bulkhead connector RG174 cable 5M/16.4 feet impedance 50 ohm adapter.